and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower after China Producer Price Index data suggested the global liquidity tightening cycle is nearing its end. Last year, tight liquidity scenarios roiled risk assets including cryptocurrencies. Investors await US CPI data scheduled later in the week. Bitcoin traded near $30,000 crucial levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 40,100 points. Meanwhile, the expectation of hawkish US Federal Reserve stance is slowly building into short-term treasury yields spiking to its highest since 2006. The cryptocurrencies and treasury yields move in opposite directions. US key events to focus this week is US CPI data, US PPI data, initial jobs claims data, various Fed speakers' speeches. These are some of the key data points which will be released later this week and would help investors ascertain the interest rates trajectory going forward, analysts said. Meanwhile, the US total public debt outstanding surged by over $1 trillion, which has sent ripples through the financial world, catching the attention of both crypto enthusiasts and financial analysts. The rising US debt could be a signal for investors to turn to Bitcoin, a decentralized currency that operates independently of any government's financial decision, analysts said. In other news, USDT Tether announced the listing of Euro Tether and Tether Gold on XT.com, which is being touted as the world's first social-infused exchange. The latest move would provide platform users access to Tether Gold, reports highlighted. Earlier in the week, Bitcoin hash rate reached an all-time high of 538 exahashes per second. The increase in hash rate has accelerated the speed of block intervals, analysts said. In a separate news, Swap, a cutting-edge market-making mechanism for popular crypto stocks, has recently announced the launch of its V2 protocol. The main objective of Swap V2 is to democratize access to sophisticated market-making tools for the global DeFi ecosystem. US stock futures traded lower as investors prepared for a slate of inflation data later in the week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 18 points, or about 0.1%. Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.3%, while S&P 500 lost about 0.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $30,200, down 0.3%. According to on-chain analytics firm Sentiment, Bitcoin sharks and whales have accumulated 71,000 more BTC in the past 3 weeks due to growing optimism in the Bitcoin space. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.2%, trading at $1,863. Solana SOL was down 4.6% and was trading at $20.7. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.2% to trade at $0.28. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.3, lower 5.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1% to trade at $0.68. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.6% at $0.064. Shiba Inu was trading down by 3%. Polkadot was down by 0.8% to trade at $5.1. However, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, up by 0.8%. Interestingly, the XRP ecosystem has witnessed a lot of whale activity in the year 2023. According to data from Sentiment, a whopping 1.1 billion XRP worth around $570 million has been acquired by whales since February. BNB was up by 3.5% to trade at $243. Now let's cut across to our expert Suparna Karmakar.
Bitcoin seems to have become range-bound and is roaming in the lower 30Ks. But on the contrary, the anticipation for the FOMC and the CPI on the 12th of July have been building. Also, BTC is up 76% year to date, but Vitalik, the founder of Ethereum, says BTC's really weird politics are holding back its adoption. Ethereum founder Vitalik believes BTC really needs to address its scaling limitations. Now coming to some order book related analysis, there seems to be huge amounts of limit buy orders below the 30K range, but not as many limit sell orders above that range.
Thank you so much for giving us your views and your valuable time. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more updates log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
On Thursday, the state-owned Punjab National Bank announced the launch of a virtual branch PNB Metaverse. PNB said in a statement that it is a virtual branch of the bank that will provide a unique banking experience to existing and new customers who can now explore the bank's products and services such as bank deposits, retail and MSME loans, digital products, women and senior citizens, do-it-yourself and government flagship schemes. PNB has created the Metaverse branch where its valued customers will have exclusive access to its virtual environment from the comfort of their homes or office via mobile phones and laptops. Furthermore, the bank will provide customers an immersive 3D experience while performing traditional banking activities via digital avatars. Despite a drop in projects in the metaverse and virtual worlds, DappRadar, a Web3 monitoring site, recently revealed that venture capital firms have invested $707 million in them since the beginning of 2023. Despite the rise of meme tokens and artificial intelligence as dominant narratives, 43.68% of these investments were in metaverse-related ventures. Interest in metaverse projects has declined significantly since the beginning of 2023, with trading volume reaching $56 million in the second quarter. This decline is attributed to public interest shifting to topics like meme tokens and AI, which have become mainstream. DappRadar's report shows that the total funding received by metaverse projects since 2023 was $707 million, representing less than 10% of the $7.6 billion raised in 2022. However, the metaverse remains in a prominent position in the Web3 environment, accounting for 43.68% of all investments in the sector. DappRadar's report identifies Asia, including Hong Kong, mainland China, and Japan, as a continent where the metaverse will thrive. IQSTEL Incorporation, a leading US-based multinational enhanced telecommunications and technology corporation, today announced the launch of its first metaverse application powered by artificial intelligence. The app is now available on desktop browser, the App Store for iPhone and iPad, and Google Play for Android devices. The IQSTEL Metaverse application is a product of IQSTEL's enhanced Metaverse AI division, Reality Border. The launch marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter in IQSTEL's overall expansion, diversifying the company's portfolio across multiple cutting-edge sectors. Reality Border, IQSTEL's groundbreaking metaverse subsidiary, created the application, which is now available on desktop browsers, the App Store for iPhone and iPad, and Google Play for Android devices.